Just when we thought DJI might give us a breather, they've done it again. Leaks are flying, rumors are buzzing, and excitement is soaring higher than a drone on sport mode. If you thought the Mini 4 Pro was the peak of compact drone perfection, hold on tight, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the game changer we didn't see coming. And it could be launching sooner than expected. Whether you're a seasoned pilot, a content creator, or someone who just wants buttery smooth 4K footage of their cat in the backyard, this drone deserves your full attention. So let's cut right to the chase. The release date, for weeks insiders had pegged a September launch. Pretty standard for DJI. But then, plot twist. According to a very reliable source, Jasper Allen's, DJI is pushing the launch up to August 7, 2025. That's an entire month earlier, folks. And if you know Jasper, you know the guy doesn't miss. He's basically the drone world's version of Apple's Mark Gurman. Now, onto what really gets people talking, leaks and sightings. First, a Chinese beta tester was caught flying what appeared to be a Mini 5 Pro prototype, captured by drone insider Igor Bogdanov. The footage showed a slightly chunkier build, larger camera housing, and wait for it, dual front-facing LiDAR sensors. Yep, you heard that right. LiDAR. On a Mini. That's a first. And the fun didn't stop there. The drone also had beefier vented motors, one-piece fixed propellers, and some, let's say, questionable oversized prop guards. Honestly, they looked like something straight out of the DJI Flips Frankenstein workshop. Cue drone fans nervously sweating. What is DJI thinking? But don't panic, just days later, Mauro Tendoi dropped a second leak. This one, much more real-world. A mountain biker collided mid-air with a drone that didn't have prototype markings, and guess what? Folding propellers were back. Crisis averted. This version had the familiar Mini DNA we all love, but clearly souped up under the hood. The larger motors remained, hinting at a serious performance boost. But it doesn't stop there. The Mini 5 Pro seems to be packing omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, thanks to a combo of visual sensors and LiDAR. So whether you're flying through trees, buildings, or your overly curious dog's path, this drone should see what's coming. According to FCC filings, the Mini 5 Pro might use a 4,680 mAh battery. That's a 30% upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro, potentially giving us up to 50 minutes of flight time. For context, that's long enough to film your entire vacation and still have battery left to chase seagulls off the beach. And the range, a jaw-dropping 15.5 miles. That's not just impressive, it's Mavic territory. Yet somehow, this drone still stays under the 250 grams legal limit. It's like DJI found cheat codes to physics. So, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro just another upgrade? No way. It's shaping up to be a category-defining release, blending portability with serious pro features, smarter sensors, longer battery life, extended range, FAA-friendly design, and enough tech to make even Mavic users a little jealous. If DJI sticks the landing, this won't just be a drone. It'll be the drone for 2025. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you planning to upgrade? Do the new features excite you or overwhelm you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, if the rumors are true, we could see an official teaser as soon as July 31st, so be sure to subscribe, tap the bell icon, and stay in the loop with all the latest drone tech. And if you want to see how the Mini 5 Pro stacks up against the Mini 4 or Mavic Air series, check out the videos right here on your screen.